In between different tasks on the outside of the house, we were working on the interior walls. For example, on rainy days, or when we were waiting on materials for other parts of the project, we'd come inside and start building our walls. We tried a couple of different wall types to mitigate some of the sound transmission between different rooms. In this case, we have a staggered stud wall. Between the master bedroom and the bathroom, we're using a double wall construction. In order to do that, we line the second wall with drywall before we actually stand it up, otherwise there'd be no way to get it in there. And then both sides of the wall will be insulated. Minor change that we had to make was moving some of the HVAC around, so we had to sacrifice a little bit of room from the master bedroom to make a return air chase.